If you are an individual with an income below Rs 2.5 lakhs in a financial year, your tax liability is zero. You do not have to pay any income tax, but it is advisable to file a nil income tax return, popularly termed as nil return. But what is a nil return? Is it mandatory? Are there any benefits? Well, we'll answer all these questions, but before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel. A nil income tax return is filed to show the income tax department that you fall below the taxable income and therefore did not pay any taxes during the year. Although it is not mandatory to file nil returns, there are many benefits to filing nil returns. But if you are below the taxable income threshold, it is still mandatory for you to file ITR if you, during the previous year, have deposited an amount or aggregate of amounts exceeding 1 crore rupees in one or more current accounts maintained by a banking company or cooperative bank, have incurred expenditure of an amount or aggregate of amounts exceeding 2 lakh rupees for yourself or any other person for travel to a foreign country, have incurred expenditure of an amount or aggregate of amounts exceeding 1 lakh rupees towards consumption of electricity. Now let's talk about some benefits of filing the nil return. ITR form is among the necessary documents that may be required for applying a visa. Moreover, passport applications accept nil ITR as a valid proof of address. ITR becomes very advantageous when it comes to loan applications as they act as supporting evidence to ascertain eligibility. Banks may deduct TDS on interest on deposits. The TDS refund can be claimed by filing a nil ITR. A few organizations may deduct the TDS of people working as consultants or freelancers while disbursing the payment. They need to file a nil ITR to claim a TDS refund when they don't fall in the tax bracket. Lastly, filing a nil return will also help in carrying forward the losses incurred in the stock market and set off against the future gains in subsequent years, reducing your tax liability. To file a nil return, all you have to do is enter your income details and deductions. Once the income tax is computed, you will be shown that you have no tax due. Submit your return to the income tax department and send your ITR 5 to CPC Bangalore to complete the e-filing process. So even if you are someone who falls under the 2,50,000 tax bracket, make sure you file your ITR. Share this video with all your friends and colleagues and subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel for more.